Hello, this is the Breitling Top Time Triumph. I'll put the name on the screen, it's a bit stupid and long. This is the non-B01 movement version, limited to 1,500 pieces, compared to the B01 being just a normal general release. This, in my opinion, is the best looking modern Breitling. That's a bit controversial, isn't it? But I think compared to most of the new releases, I do like the new Namitama releases, the ice blue and all that stuff, but having the two-tone dial on this is just lovely jab. So it's an absolutely stunning dial. You can see the two sides, so on the left and the right you've got a smoothed type of design, and then on the top and the bottom you've got a brushed design. Honestly, when this hits the sun, I will put some footage up. It is wah. Let's talk about some negatives of the Triumph. The strap is yellow on the inside. Now, it's a nice idea, but in reality it's not the best idea. You can see on the yellow it's blackened a bit already, so if you wear this in the sun you're going to get dark spots and it's going to not look as pretty as it did. I've ordered a strap from Breitling, the exact same, for 160 quid, which by the way is a very, very generous deal because Tag Heuer quoted me £280 for a leather strap from them. I ordered this about 3 months ago and I haven't heard anything back yet, so yeah. And I bought that direct from Breitling. I went in. So for anyone that's going to say, oh, you got scammed, I didn't get scammed. Yeah, I would say that's the only downside of this watch. The one design flaw I would say is, if you look at the pushers, it does look like Shrek's ears. So it sits very nicely on the wrist. It's a 41mm, so it's quite a manageable size. I've got a 7-inch wrist, and it doesn't seem too big or too small. As you can see, if I flex my wrist backwards, the crown digs in more than the pushers, so the length of the pushers isn't actually a problem with ergonomics. It's just the design looks a bit weird. But me doing this, it's not really hurting my hand at all. I sometimes do get a bit of a mark after a long day of wear, but it's nothing major. The box is awful. For a watch that's over £4,000, I wouldn't expect a box like this. A watch box isn't something that you just recycle, it's usually something you keep, because it's, you know, you bought a watch and you want something special to put the watch in. So having this recyclable template is just absurd. And most of the Top Times, I think they kind of vary. You sometimes get the nice leather pouch, but you sometimes get this one and it's just disappointing.